Hi everyone. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Welcome to Lyndon Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a nutrient-packed green juice, healthy, tasty. Also, sit back, relax. Do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. Remember to watch this video to the end. Let's get into the video. This juice is made with watercress, spinach, apple, celery, and ginger. Perfect combination for detoxing and boosting your immunity. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need a piece of ginger and you'll need watercress, about two handful of watercress and spinach mixed together. 1 apple, you can use green or red, and I will be using some water to help with the blending process. Watercress help fight free radical and reduce inflammation, also support immune system, high in vitamin C and beta carotene. Also aid digestion and contain natural enzyme that promote gut health. Great for skin, ear, and packed with vitamin and sulfur compound. Spinach boosts your iron level and support energy and prevent anemia. Important eye health, high in lutein, and also protection. Heart health also loaded with potassium and lower blood pressure. Alkaline to the body, help balance pH level and reduce acidity. Apple support digestive system, high in fiber, and it's good for your gut health. Also natural detoxify and help cleanse the liver. Relating to blood pressure, lowering your cholesterol, stabilize sugar level, rich in vitamin C, and strengthen the immune system. Celery hydrate the body and detoxifying and have a high water content, also flush out the toxin, reduce inflammation, and also contain anti-inflammatory properties. And is good for weight loss and support heart health, help lower blood pressure and cholesterol level. Ginger help boost your immunity and fight infection, improve digestion, also help with bloatedness and nausea. Also full of anti-inflammatory property and reduce joint pain, increase metabolism, support fat burning and weight loss. Why this juice is so important? This juice detoxify your body, also cleanse the body, boosts energy naturally, support weight loss and digestive system, also improve your skin and overall health benefit. What I'm doing here, I just add some water to it just to help the blending process. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious and healthy recipe. See you in the next video. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. So what I'll be doing now, this is personal preference. I'm just going to pass it through a sieve or a strainer. It's personal preference. That's what I'm doing, and it's more easier to drink. It's more smoother. What I'm doing here now, I'm just passing it through and pouring it into my desired jug or cup. And as you can see, lovely, vibrant color. This is, I'm telling you, so delicious. I've drank this before, and I'm telling you, it's very healthy. You'll notice the difference. Wow, very delicious, fantastic, absolutely delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.